Hi friends, in today's video tutorial we would study how to prepare this geometry in AutoCAD. As usual, I have provided the practice file for this geometry in the description of this video, and I would urge you to download that file, open that file and practice along with me. So now we'll first spend some time in studying this geometry and trying to see how we'll proceed with the drafting. So after analyzing the drawing, I feel that the best starting point would be this center point. So I'll use this center point and I'll begin by drawing this innermost circle of 10 dia followed by this outer circle of 25 dia. Then I will draw one reference line from the center point of this extending up to here 30 units, then to the right 25 units, then on the top 20 units and then to the right 35 units. Then with this as a center point, I'll draw a circle of 25 dia and a square of 10 by 10. Then with this as a center point, I'll draw a circle of radius 25 and a hexagon of radius 15. Then we'll draw tangential line from this circle to this and from this circle to this circle. Then we'll fillet with a radius of 20 and over here also with a radius of 20. We'll draw 3 center marks, change their color to red. We'll change the line type of this circle to divide. Then we'll follow it with dimensioning and our geometry would be complete. So let me show you how we'll proceed with the drawing. So we'll first select circle center diameter and I'll pan this a bit to the left and I'll use this center point as a tracking point and I'll track a bit to the right and click over here and give the diameter as 10 and hit enter. Again we'll select circle center diameter, same center point and diameter is 25 and hit enter. Then we use the line command and we use the midpoint of this and extend it upwards to a distance of 30 units. Then to the right at a distance of 25 units. Then to the top at a distance of 20 units. And finally to the right at a distance of 35 units and we'll hit enter. So now we got this center point. This is the center point for this circle and this is the center point for this circle. So we'll select circle center radius and we'll use this as a center point and draw a circle of radius 25 and hit enter. So with this as a center point, we have to draw a circle of 25 dia. So we'll select circle center diameter. This is the center point and diameter would be 25 and hit enter. Then we'll draw one rectangle and we'll click anywhere and we'll give 10 and we'll press tab and 10 and hit enter. Then we'll use the move command of AutoCAD and select the object to move. This is the object and the base point bring to the center of this and bring it to the intersection of this and our square is rightly placed. Then we'll use the line command and draw one line which would be tangential to this circle and tangential to this circle, and another line will begin which would be tangential to this circle and tangential to this circle. So we will type fillet. We'll give the radius as 20, hit enter. Select the first object and select the second. Again fillet, select the first object and select the second object. Hit enter. Now we want to draw this hexagon. So from here where rectangle is there, we'll select polygon and number of sides we'll select 6. Center point of the polygon would be this, and now it is asking inscribed or circumscribed. We'll select circumscribed and radius we'll give it as 15 and hit enter, and our polygon is ready. Just to check, we can use linear dimensioning. From here to here you can see it is perfectly 30. Then we press escape and we come out and we delete the unwanted reference lines. So we select erase and we erase these lines. So we'll type trim first, then we'll click on this part and this part. Now we'll again draw one circle with a radius of 25. Circle, center radius, this is center and radius is 25. And then we'll change the line type. So from here we change the line type to divide. First select the circle and click over here and change the line type to divide. If divide is not visible, click on other, and from here you can load all the line types. So you can say load, and from here you can select the divide line type and select load. In my case it's already loaded, so I say cancel. I click on the circle and I change the line type to divide. Then I'll select all the objects this way and I'll press shift and deselect this line type's inner circle. And then I'll increase the thickness to 0.30. Then I'll press escape. Then I'll type CM for center mark and click on this center mark. Click on this and also click on this. Then we'll change the color of the center mark. So we select this center mark, this center mark, this center mark and by layer and change the color to red. Now our geometry is complete and we can proceed with dimensioning. We'll start from here, linear dimensioning. So we select linear dimensioning and we select center point of this circle and center point of this circle, and we use this as a tracking point, 25 units. Again we use linear dimensioning, center point of this circle and center point of this circle, and we join it here, 35 units. Then for the square, linear dimensioning, from here to here it is 10 units, and again linear dimensioning, from here to here it is 10 units. Then diameter, so we select diameter and we click on this circle. It is 25. Then we go for linear dimensioning and we select center point of this circle and center point of this circle, and the distance is 20 units. Scroll down, we go for radius, we click here and give the radius as 20. If it's come to the corner, undo it, again do radius, click over here and bring it in the precise center. Try to avoid overlaps. Then again linear dimensioning and we select center point of this circle and center point of this circle and we join it with this. So it is 30 units. Then we go for radius dimensioning and we click over here, 20 units. Then we go for diameter and we click on the inner circle, 10 diam. Again we go for diameter, outer circle, and it will be 25 diam. Then we go for linear dimensioning from this corner of hexagon to this corner of hexagon, and it is 30 units. And finally radius for this circle, radius is 25. So our geometry is now complete. So friends, in this video tutorial, hope we have studied many new commands of AutoCAD, and we'll see you again in the next video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Goodbye.